And then we're going to double slip stitch on the side, which means we're going to connect this to this the turning chain over here. So we're going to yarn over to create my double slip stitch, and I'm going to find the opening here, insert my hook in there, just holding on to one strand. There you go. And then I'm going to find the last chain loop over here, insert my hook, and then pull through everything. And that's the double slip stitch on the side. I'm going to show you again. This is that very first row of double slip stitches. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook inside that V, holding on to one strand only, and then I'm going to find that last chain loop on the side from my starting chain, insert my hook there, and pull through everything. Then I'm going to continue and make my 7 chains. 1, 2. I'm going to make these quite loose so that the shawl has elasticity. 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. And then one more as my turning chain, and I'm going to double slip stitch all the way down. And I'm going to use my back loop, my back bump of the chain. So yarn over and make a double slip stitch on the back loop. So I should have 7 double slip stitches over here. And there's a back bump of my chain. Now, as you can see, I'm working on this side, but my row is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is twist my work to continue working on the row on the back loop, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom now. Okay, so I'm going to show you again what that looks like at the end of working my chain. This is going to happen every single time. At the end of working my chain, I'm basically working on the wrong side, so I need to make sure to turn this to be able to work on my actual row.